Welcome to the Vintage Coach Sheridan credit card case tour. So this one's kind of exciting because it is actually new in the box. I was really lucky to find this the other day. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the box and give you a peek. Actually, before I take it out, I'll show you, this is what the box looks like. So that's the style number 4304. That's pretty cool. So I'll take the wallet out now. So as you can see, it's this nice, beautiful tan colored small wallet. And it does come with the original paperwork. So here was the sales tag. And here was a little insert that came with it. It says American Classics in Leather Accessories. So this is just like the little sales pamphlet that came with it. I've seen a few of these with other bags as well. So I bet this is probably from the 90s, but I'm not 100% sure. And then lastly, here's the registration card, I guess. I think that's what this is. Oh, maybe this is just like an insert where you can put your information in case, I don't know, in case you ever lose the wallet. I'm guessing what this is for. It doesn't look like a registration card, actually. So that's cool. I always enjoy finding the original paperwork with these vintage bags. I think it's kind of like a little extra part of the collection. So anyway, here's a close-up of the bag. And it has a snap closure. Here's the inside. It does have a little tiny surface level scratch there, it looks like, but other than that, it's in good shape. I don't think it was ever used. So it's got these little slots here for your credit card and I guess cash. So it's pretty small. This would be a good wallet to use with one of the mini bags, I think, like a Winnie bag or Regina or something that's kind of small. So here's the bag looks like, I mean the wallet looks like. Give you one more close up. So it's pretty cool. That's the back and here's the front. So that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll go ahead and link this below in our Etsy shop and you can check it out if you wanted to take a closer look at it or look at it further. And if you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care.